What's up, guys? Pucha here. Doing a quick unboxing of this air fryer that I got from Amazon called the Philips. I forgot the actual name, but it's a Philips brand. I decided to get this one because the first one that we had finally started to break after using it for a good 2-3 years. Can never live without a air fryer. It's actually a cool thing if you want like less oil in your food and all that stuff. So, but anyway, as you can see, it's just on top of it. Cookbook, Philips air fryer, Viva Collection. Let's see here. I'm gonna tell you why I decided to buy the same one. I bought the exact same thing. It's just this one is a white one. You know, I'm obsessed with white. Took off the top. Take off the little paper things here. And then put it on the chair. I'll tell you in a minute why I bought it. Here we go. There you go. The reason why I decided to go buy the same thing, and that's it, nothing's in the box, is because I like the fact that it's a very easy setup to do. The knobs here for the temperature, right? Crank it up all the way, and then it's kind of like a toaster oven or something. All you gotta do is turn this knob and it'll kind of keep on clicking. That way you have less malfunction with the technology and all that stuff, because I noticed that if you have electronics, it's easier to break. With this one, knobs, little kind of old school timer clock thing, and that's it. That's why I really like it. Less chances of it breaking down. Our old one actually broke down because of the handle here. But it's pretty bad. Like the little clicker here. This one broke off. So, but it has that. They claim that this is a, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a starfish shape, so the air can and the heat can circulate better. Put that in there. Pop that in. Little light indicator here whenever it's on. The top is black, and I think the plug is black as well. But other than that, I would recommend buying the hot links. Pop it in there. It gets a little smoky, kind of like you're going barbecue, but it makes the skin crispy. And also I would recommend just pop it in there for like 7 minutes, done. And then also the popcorn shrimp from where's it, Whole Foods. Pop that bad boy in there, and so good. Same thing all the way up. Pop it to like 10 minutes. You're done, good to go. Alright guys, but then again, like I said, I bought this one for the price, by less than $200. It's white. I like the color white. It has less mechanical or technical issue because it has old school knobs and a little clocker timer. And the back side, this one's retractable, so you can just kind of like retract the back. There's no button or anything, you just kind of have to like shove it in there. So that's what's up, man. Alright guys, let me know. I mean, it's not really a technology review, but definitely recommend this bad boy, the Philips air fryer, and we've used it for a long time. Okay, nice mesh right here. Perfect. Alright guys.